Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get remove background option in pen software of Windows 11 running computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you by opening the pen software. You can see this is the Microsoft Paint, which comes preloaded with every Windows operating system. So by default we don't have any remove background option anywhere. If we click this option also, we don't have any option. If we click on the view also, we don't have any remove background option. So in order to get a remove background option in the pen software of Windows 11, so what you need to do is just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. And after that, you can see here below URL ring. Just click on this down arrow icon and just select this product ID, and you need to search for one product ID, which I will be leaving in the video description too. So I'll be leaving this product ID of the pen software too in the video description, so you can just copy and paste it after selecting the product ID. And you can see on the right side RP, just keep it in the RP mode. If you click on it, you can see fast slow, but I will highly recommend to keep it as RP. And after that, just click on this tick mark, wait for a few seconds, and now just scroll down below. Now we'll see here tons of Microsoft Paint softwares, right? And here you can see the latest one, Microsoft Paint 11.2306.30.0 neutral, and the last you can see with the extension .msix bundle. So you need to download this file. When you can check the date, you can see the date, release date. So this is the latest one. If you find more newer version than this, then you can get the newer also, but right now this is the latest, so we are going to download this version. So just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded, and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run the software installer. Now you can see it's asking to update the pane. Now just click on this update, wait for a few seconds, and now you can see on the above, you can see your remove background option is being added. So now just drag the image and just click on this remove background. Voila, now you can see it has removed the background. So in order to remove the background of the particular area, what you need to do is just click on this select box and just select the area. I'll just select this one, the head portion. After selecting, just click on this remove background option. Then it will remove only the selected area of the particular image. So by using this method, you can get remove background option in Paint software of Windows 11 running computers very easily. So if you never known about this cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.